Hello people, welcome back to my unboxing. Got this new one today. This is December 6th. Got this from the Aviation Megastore today, from the Netherlands. So let's see. Now, good wrapping. Oh, we even got a postcard. Look at that postcard, huh? Yeah, that's a nice one. Polski Linen Lot. Postcard. I collect this postcard. Perfect for me. So, let's see. I ordered this plane from Herpa because I like that. It was very, very detailed Herpa. It's the Etihad Airbus A350-1000. Wow, nice box. So let's see. Look at this. They have 30s. Along with the 30 787-9s and the 9 787-10, the 350 are now Etihad's new flagship. They actually have 5 of these now. So I don't know how to open this. It's there. On the side, they replaced the 380 for high demand routes, so on and so forth. Let's see. It's such a beautiful plane, guys. Look at that, huh? So here we go, the cream. Etihad Airways started in 2003, or was founded in July 2003 and started in November 2003. Abu Dhabi, the United Arab Emirates. They have 91 planes plus 3 on order. They have the Airbus 320, 12 and 3219, the 350 as I said 5, and 777-300ER 9 plus 5 cargo. So some plastic. Wow, this is a beautiful plane. My God, I think I paid how much? I paid 120 euros, something like that. Look at this, guys. My God, look at this. I think the Herpa is really, really detailed. My God, look at this. What a beautiful plane, guys. The Airbus A350-1000. And I like the new livery. The new livery is like desert-like. All the shades of the desert. This is fantastic. Look at this. I think they even have grooves in their wheels. Not like the Hogan's, but you find it maybe on the JC. Yeah, and the EW's wings. Yeah, look at this, guys. Huh? Fantastic. So now I have several Airbus 350, but I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 900s. So, and this is my first 1000. Yeah. Such a beautiful plane, my God. Yeah, look at this. So let's have a closer look. Let's have a closer look. Yeah, fantastic plane. My God, it's one of the most beautiful plane, in my opinion. Even the winglets, huh? So what's the registration on this one? It's A6W, no, XWA. X-ray Whiskey Alpha. Alpha 6 X-ray W, no, X-ray Whiskey Alpha. Yeah, let's see. What a beautiful plane. Oh. It's so detailed. Herpa is really making some beautiful planes. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye for now.